Imagine stepping inside a GMC motorhome that redefines what luxury on wheels truly means. Every detail, every surface, every corner screams opulence, precision, and innovation. And yes, it costs more than most sports cars. But the experience is priceless. From the moment you open the door, polished wood floors, leather seating, panoramic windows, and a kitchen worthy of a 5-star chef greet you. LED ambient lighting shifts mood with your touch. Hidden storage compartments, slide-out extensions, and climate control systems make this not just a vehicle, but a rolling palace. Yet behind the luxury, a powerhouse awaits, an engine delivering surprising torque and effortless cruising, fuel consumption optimized for long journeys, chassis engineered for stability systems. Panoramic for long journeys, chassis engineered for stability. Every panel, every hinge, every light is a testament to decades of automotive mastery. Can you imagine living, traveling, and commanding this level of automotive engineering every single day? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the secret compartment that transforms your motorhome from a mobile palace to a high-performance road beast. Driving it is an experience unlike any other. Acceleration feels cinematic, torque surges at every throttle, cornering is surprisingly precise for its size, braking is confident, smooth, controlled. Every mile, every turn, every vibration is tuned to whisper power and luxury in perfect harmony. It moves with authority, yet glides with grace. Imagine the confidence on open highways and winding mountain roads alike. You feel it, you sense it, you command it, and yes, the engine purrs like a hybrid of raw muscle and futuristic tech. But wait, did you know the GMC Motorhome hides a feature most owners don't even discover for months? A secret driving mode that maximizes both fuel efficiency and torque for mountain climbs and extended journeys. This one feature alone changes the way you think about motorhome performance. It's almost prophetic, a glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. I remember the first time I slid behind the wheel. The driver's seat enveloped me. Controls intuitive, dashboard alive with digital displays, AI assistance instantly calibrated to my preferences. The smell of premium leather, the subtle hum of the engine, and as I drove down an open stretch of highway, I realized, this isn't just travel, this is freedom, this is dominance, this is luxury reimagined. Now imagine it yourself. Picture owning this marvel, the thrill of commanding a road-ready palace, the prestige of turning heads at every rest stop, the envy, the admiration, the awe. It's not just transportation, it's an experience, an identity, a statement. Every car lover, every enthusiast, every visionary knows this feeling is priceless. Under the hood, the GMC Motorhome is engineered like a sports car in disguise. A V8 powerhouse delivering staggering horsepower and torque, paired with a reinforced chassis designed for both stability and comfort. Advanced suspension keeps even the bumpiest roads silky smooth. All-wheel drive, adaptive braking, electronic stability control, and collision avoidance systems ensure that luxury never compromises safety. Drivetrain engineered for effortless cruising at highway speeds. Fuel efficiency optimized with hybrid technology, turbocharged options, or optional electric assist modules for the environmentally conscious elite. Even the exhaust system is tuned to provide that satisfying rumble without sacrificing refinement. Every system, every bolt, every sensor has been optimized for performance and precision. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling engineering masterpiece. And here's the thing. Beyond specs and numbers, you feel it. The freedom, the exhilaration, the prestige, stepping into the cabin, sliding behind the wheel, feeling the torque surge, commanding the road. It's intoxicating. Every glance, every turn, every mile makes your heart race. This is an automotive dream realized. You must feel it to believe it. Technology inside this GMC motorhome reads like a prophecy of the future. AI-driven navigation, predictive driver assist, touch and voice-controlled infotainment, integrated smart home features, satellite connectivity, even automated parking for tight city streets, hybrid energy management, regenerative braking, and next-gen battery optimization give you the power to go farther, faster, cleaner. Smart lighting adapts to mood and time of day, slide-out entertainment systems, hidden storage compartments, and configurable interior layouts create a mobile living experience unmatched anywhere else. Every button, every screen, every interface feels alive, responsive, futuristic, luxurious, exclusive. This isn't just technology. It's an extension of the driver's will, seamlessly blending human intuition with machine precision. And finally, the secret you've been waiting for, a hidden turbo boost feature that most owners don't even realize exists. Unlock it, and the GMC Motorhome surges with unexpected acceleration. Torque spikes instantly, and for a few breathtaking seconds, you feel a raw sports car intensity inside a luxury palace on wheels. It's a thrill, a shock, a revelation. Every detail, every innovation, every feature built to amaze, to dominate, to redefine what a motorhome can be.